So in this part we will try to understand the binomial expansion of x power y x plus y power n, when this n can be anything. Like till date we have taken care that n belongs to natural number. Okay, but this time n can be real number. Okay, means n can be fraction, n can be, or like we can say it is rational number. Okay, means n can take positive number, negative number, something by something. Okay, so this we have to take care. So how we will respond? Look at this. So we will behave the same way like we did previously. So look at this. First we will write nc0, x power n, y power 0, nc1, x power n minus 1, y power 1, nc2, x power n minus 2, y power 2, so on. Okay, now you know that here the n is not a natural number, correct? So we cannot write nc0 because nc0 means binomial thing. Binomial thing is defined for natural number n and whole number 0, correct? So we cannot write this thing. But can I break this question into, means break this RHS part into this thing, n factorial by 0 factorial n minus 0 factorial x power n y power 0 n factorial by 1 factorial n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 y n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial x power n minus 2 y power 2, so on. Suppose that from this step directly I wrote this. Okay, do you think I did the correct step? No, because you also know that n factorial is defined for natural number. So we cannot write this thing either. Okay, so suppose that I am writing this thing. This n factorial is 1 x power n y power 0 plus this is n factorial, this is n minus 1 factorial. So the numerator is n x power n minus 1 y, and then we have n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, and then x power n minus 2 y power 2, correct? Dot dot dot. Now look at this. Suppose from this step directly I wrote this, then what do you think? This is correct or wrong? This time it is correct because I have followed this. So logically it is correct, but technically we are wrong because these things are defined for different things, correct? But here there is no restriction on n can take anything. Okay, so if you have binomial to the power any index, you can follow this thing. Okay, I hope you understood the idea and you can apply this thing in any questions which is related to this concept. Okay.